Are you using Wix and thinking about moving to Shopify? Maybe your store is growing or you want better e-commerce features. In this video, I'll show you how to move from Wix to Shopify step by step. Wix is good for small websites, but Shopify is built specially for online stores. With Shopify, you get better inventory management, more payment options, powerful apps, faster checkout, and tools that help you grow your business. That's why many store owners switch from Wix to Shopify. Before you do anything, back up your data. This includes products, customers, and orders. In Wix, you can export these information, save the files on your computer. This is a very important step, so you don't lose anything in the future. Now export your data as CSV files. Wix allows you to download products lists, customer details, and order details. Some things like blog posts and images must be saved manually. Keep everything ready before you move forward. Go to Shopify and sign up. You can start with a free trial, choose your store names and basic details. Shopify will guide you through the setup. Don't worry if it feels new. Shopify is a very beginner-friendly platform. Now choose the theme. You can use any free themes or a paid one if you want. Change colors, fonts, and layouts to match your brand. Import the pages, and this will be a good head start. Upload the CSV files you exported from Wix. Shopify will import your products automatically. Check the product names, prices, images, and descriptions, and fix anything if needed. Go to Shopify settings and add payment methods. You can use PayPal, Stripe, or other Shopify payment options. This lets customers pay easily on your store. Before going live, test your store. Place a test order, check checkouts, payments, and emails. Once everything is working, your new Shopify store is ready to be launched. That is it. Moving from Wix to Shopify is easier than you think. If your business is growing and you want more control, Shopify is a great choice. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.